In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a space on Circle.so. We'll take this step by step to ensure you understand the process completely. So let's dive right in. Start by logging into your Circle.so admin account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is the hub where you can see all your spaces and their respective settings. Next, look towards the left sidebar of your screen where you'll find a section named Spaces. Click on Spaces and a list of all the spaces you have set up will drop down. Browse through the list and select the specific space that you wish to delete. It's worth double checking at this point to make sure you're about to delete the correct space, as this action is irreversible once completed. Having selected the space, take your gaze to the top right corner of the page where you'll notice a gear icon which represents settings. Click on this settings icon. This will open up the settings menu for the selected space, giving you access to various configurations related to it. Scroll down the options in the settings menu until you reach a section ominously labeled Danger Zone. This section holds the action we are interested in, deleting the space. Keep in mind the location of this section is to serve as a reminder that performing actions here can significantly change your circle. So environment. Now you're almost at the end. Look for the delete space option and click on it. This will initiate the deletion process. Often platforms like Circle, so have safeguards in place to ensure that such significant actions are not performed accidentally. You'll likely be prompted to confirm your decision. This step might require you to type in the name of the space you intend to delete, adding an extra layer of confirmation. It's a great method to prevent accidental deletions, so type carefully and double check the space name before proceeding. Once you've typed in the space name correctly, click the confirm or delete button to finalize the deletion. This acts as the final barrier before the space is removed permanently. After confirming, your space will be permanently deleted from Circle. Be aware that once deleted, the data in that space cannot be restored, so proceed with caution and make sure you have backed up any necessary information beforehand. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a space on Circle. So, remember to review this video or save it to ensure these steps are clear before you carry them out. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward and informative guides. Thanks for watching.